Good day, good day. Today it is super windy and I am going to do some photos tonight. It's 5 p.m. already, so I'm going to do some darker photos in the city center. I just want to relax, walk and take some photos. So that fountain is La Rotonde. It's the biggest roundabout in the city and the biggest fountain. And because it's Christmas, we have the little lights. I kind of want to walk there again. Nice, so all the tourists are taking photo and I'm going to walk right up there. That's called the Cours Mirabeau. That's the main, like the biggest avenue in this city. Right up there. Béchard fabrique de calisson. So those are calisson. Another little fountain. Café de Paris. That is my favorite shop in this town. Papeterie Beaux-Arts, photocopie, encadrement. So that's called La Papeterie Michel, and that is a great shop. Petit bistrot. So that is the city hall right there. And now I'm going to walk back home because it's getting dark, it's getting late. Yeah, it's slightly past 6:30, so it's getting slightly late and dark, and it's really cold and windy. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you saw new things, that I showed you new things today. And yeah, see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!